Hey everybody, Jenny here from Kimberbell, and I am the writer here at Kimberbell, and I'm sitting here with Kinsey.
Hi, I'm Kinsey. I am the marketing manager at Kimberbell, and we're so excited today to talk to you about our websites.
Yes, our websites. So, Kimberbell.com and MyKimberbell.com. Now, what is the difference between the two?
All right, so Kimberbell.com is a great place for you to find the latest and greatest, to find products that are sold in your stores. So you can search there for everything that's new, everything that's even old, and find a store that's carrying it. So MyKimberbell.com is a fun resource for everyone where you can buy things directly off the website. So quilting patterns, direct downloads.
The Bello Box.
The Bello Box. So lots of fun things on both websites for everyone.
Okay, now you mentioned finding a store to carry it. So how do we do that?
All right, so let's take a look at the websites. So on Kimberbell.com, you can find the websites, you can find stores that are carrying product, and you can also search for product. So you can come to collections and search for the product you're looking for. You can find what you're after. You can read all about it. You can watch videos about it. And then you can come down here and find a shop that's carrying it. So search for your zip code, search for your address, search for something that's near you. And hopefully you can find a shop that is carrying the product you're looking for.
Now, if I understand correctly, though, some shops also sell online.
Yes.
So you don't necessarily have to find a shop that is down the block.
Right.
So you should find a shop near you or one you want to order from, I guess.
Exactly.
Right.
Because it's fun that everyone ships all over the place now.
Yeah. Now, speaking of finding shops, we get a lot of questions about how to find Kimberbell events.
Yes.
So let's talk about that.
So it's a great place to also do that. You come up to the events tab and you list all of the events that are currently happening. And then when you click on events, you can also see all the events that are scheduled for the year. So you could search by your city, you could search by your state, you could even search for the event you're looking for and hoping to attend.
So if I'm looking for, say, Winter Wonderland,
right,
you could just,
well, it's going to be
that's a
all
W.
the way
That's
at the end of our
Day at
list.
the Fair. Then it shows all of the shops that are doing Day at the Fair. Okay.
Yep. So it's a great place for you to go find your shop and then call them and get signed up.
Very cool. So basically, Kimberbell.com is a place where you can see all of the products. You can see which shops sell them and which shops are hosting events, that kind of thing. And you can also actually connect to MyKimberbell.com from Kimberbell.com.
You can.
But let's go ahead and talk about MyKimberbell.com.
Okay, so if we go back over to MyKimberbell, we will find MyKimberbell.com, and you can see all the fun things we've got over here. Things like the Bello Box. So if you click on the front page, you can find the products you're looking for here. I'm so excited for this Bello Box.
It's gonna ship soon.
I know, we're getting so close.
Oh, it's exciting.
But you can also come up and you can find other products that we've got here. Things like Jump Stitch.
Now let's talk about Jump Stitch a minute.
Right. Jump Stitch are direct downloads that you can purchase straight from the website. They're great introductory products for beginners or newbies, anyone looking to get into machine embroidery. You can also find Kimberbell merchandise and Kimberbell quilting patterns.
Okay, we get a lot of excitement about the Kimberbell quilting patterns, people wondering where to go to get them. So this is where to get them, folks.
This is where you find it. And it looks like we've got Christmas ones out as well.
Oh, those are cute.
Fun.
I haven't seen those yet. Those are darling. Super, super, super
So
cute.
lots of fun things to it. You can buy direct from the website on MyKimberbell.com.
Okay. Now, the good thing about MyKimberbell.com and Kimberbell.com is they both link to the blog. So we want to read that blog, people.
Jenny writes some great articles on the blog. Hopefully you go find them. They're fun to read.
They're fun to write.
Right.
So
good.
Anyway, yeah, but you can do both. All right, so basically in a nutshell, we're saying that Kimberbell.com and MyKimberbell.com are both resources for you.
Right.
You don't have to choose. You don't have to say, oh, I'm only going to go here or there. Use both of them. They have different purposes. They cross-reference each other, and they're just to help point you to more Kimberbell product. And who doesn't want to see more Kimberbell product?
Right. Just remember that Kimberbell.com is the product where you find product that's sold in the stores.
Right.
MyKimberbell is where you find product you can buy straight from the website.
Okay. I think that's about it. Thanks, Kinsey.
All right. Thanks, Jenny.
And thank you for joining us today on Tuesday Tips with Kimberbell.